Hi and welcome to Taro Movies. I'm up here in Upper Bavaria with my brother Cosmo, who is a professional canoe instructor, and we going for a 2 days canoe trip to an area which is private, and we have the permission from the landowner to stay there overnight. And if you like, please join us. The rivers here are not very deep and wide, something between 50 centimeter and 1.5 meter. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. Amazing. So we are now on a part of the river which is much more quiet, wider and less current. A special atmosphere with this late afternoon sun. And you can feel already that spring is coming. In a couple of weeks everything will change here and looks different. After a great day on the water, we reached the campground here, and of course the next step is to set up the hot tent. The setup of the outer tent was much easier and faster than we thought. Next step is to set up the inner tent and the tent stove. Now the setup of the tent system and the stove is done. Cosmo and I are preparing firewood for the campfire out here right now, because we like to cook outside. The temperature will drop down to maybe -3 or -4 degrees Celsius tonight, and that will be the time when we move inside the tent and start the tent oven there. As soon as the sun went down, the temperature dropped also, so we had to put warm clothes on. The fire is burning, Cosmo is looking for some firewood, and I'm preparing dinner. Cosmo is preparing a pot hanger, so it makes it a bit easier for me to cook for him. Our campfire outside is burning down. Maybe you can see the temperature dropped again, so I guess it's around 0 degrees Celsius. We started the tent oven the first time, and I'm really surprised about the performance of it. You have so many points where you can adjust the airflow up to the chimney. So it's time to move inside and enjoy the evening in the hot tent.
Cheers, Taro.
Yes, Cosmo, how do you like it in here? I love
We
it.
had a fantastic day on the river, and now we are sitting in a hot tent. You can see the fire from both sides. There are glasses in the stove, both sides. This is incredibly nice.
Yeah, I think so too. I'm so amazed about the atmosphere in here. It's so warm and cozy. I had to take my trousers and jacket off. We have a nice single malt here, and we can relax and enjoy and get power for the next day on the water.
See you tomorrow.
Good morning. After a nice and cozy night in here, we have to get up. It's about 7 o'clock, having some breakfast. I made this bacon and scrambled eggs for breakfast on the X-Fire 19. Cosmo is hungry, he needs more and more and more. Come, one more. After a delicious breakfast, we packed all our gear, cleaned the whole place up because leave no trace. And now,
let's go to the water.
finally, we are at the end of our tour, and you will find all the information about the used gear and our equipment beneath in the description box of the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and leave a thumb up. Also, best wishes to
Lonnie and Connie
from the YouTube channel Far North Bushcraft and Survival. I hope you liked this video and you will join Taro Movies next time again. Tschüss
Ciao
und
bye
bye bye.